Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am repairing a 32-inch Samsung TV, model LE32S81B. The TV is in standby mode and refuses to turn on using the remote control or the physical buttons on the TV. After removing the cover, a bloated capacitor catches my attention. The capacitor is on the power supply and is marked CM861. I will disassemble the power supply to extract this capacitor and inspect this board more closely. These electrolytic capacitors must be replaced to restore circuit function and prevent damage to other components. Usually this is caused by internal electrolyte boiling due to overheating, overvoltage, or age. To prevent accidental electric shocks, I will discharge the main capacitor CP801 using an incandescent bulb. I will also check other components on this board. The fuse is good. Let's check the rectifier bridge. This is also good. With the multimeter set to continuity mode, we check if there are any shorted components. Everything seems fine. Let's unsolder the CM861 capacitor. It's a 2200 microfarad at 10 volts. We tested it with a capacitance meter to see how much capacity it lost. It only has 170 microfarads left. We replace it with a new one with the same values. And we put the power supply back in place. Another test, and we hope everything goes well. The TV turned on, but something is wrong with the channel's reception. I did a rescan of the channels, but everything is the same. I assume it is a problem that affects the proper functioning of the tuner. I checked the 33 volts that powers the tuner, but everything is within parameters. Then I checked the capacitors on the 5-volt line that powers the tuner. Both capacitors C151 and C152 showed changes in value, so I removed them from the board. These capacitors are a common issue on this mainboard. I replaced these capacitors with new ones. Another test. I hope everything goes well. This time it looks promising. No waves on screen. I'm doing an auto search again. Bingo. Everything is fine. This TV has an analog tuner. It found only 48 channels. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. See you next time.